If you're looking for a simple way to organize your tasks, manage your schedule, and stay productive, creating a TickTick account is the perfect place to start. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a TickTick account step by step in 2026. First, open your web browser and go to the TickTick website or launch the TickTick app on your mobile device. Next, click the *sign up* button to begin creating your new account. You can create your account using your email address, or you may have options to continue with a Google, Apple, or other supported account. If you're signing up with email, enter your email address, create a strong password, and complete any required information. Depending on your sign-up method, TickTick may send a verification email. Open your inbox and click the verification link to activate your account. After signing in, you may be asked to choose your language, time zone, or other basic preferences. Complete these steps to personalize your experience. Now you're ready to use TickTick. Click the *add task * button, enter a title for your first task, and save it. Take a few moments to explore the dashboard. You'll find task lists, calendars, reminders, and productivity tools that help you stay organized. And that's how to create a TickTick account. Once your account is ready, you can start organizing tasks, setting reminders, and planning your day more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.